Hey everybody, this is Chris, and finally they have made the case for the Hubsan Zino 2, and they are drone pit stop. Many of you guys know that that is my favorite case. It's my favorite case because it's not a hard shell plastic case. These hard shell plastic cases that you get, say like the Altel Evo 2 one I have that comes with a hard shell case, or the Skydio 2 has a hard shell case, and they're fine. They're very durable. Usually they're waterproof, as is this one, but it's a lot lighter and easier to carry. Throw my shoulder straps on, just hook them into these right here, and then throw it up on my shoulder. I can carry 2 or 3 of these real easily, going through the woods and the paths to get to wherever I want to go and fly my drones. They are very durable, and they're always surprising as to the size. That's fairly compact, how much they hold. With this baby right here, you can hold the Zino 2 or Zino 2 Plus 7 batteries. I don't know anybody else making them to where they hold 7 batteries, and it's the way that they molded it and set the batteries, and I'll show you. A lot of your cases, the batteries are pointed downward, so a lot of your cases, your batteries will go in like this, and if they did that, you could probably get more batteries for sure, but this is how they make it. And the way you can get 7 is, I'll pull this one out. It's these, when you pull these inserts out, this one here I've got cut in half so I can just put 1 battery in and have it still easy to grab, so it's not real deep. But when you take these out, you simply put your battery in, okay, put it all the way into where it's in the bottom, it's pushed all the way down, and then take your next battery, and then you see where the meter's on top. We're going to put the meter at the bottom, and it goes like that. So it still sits about as high as the way I have these other ones, a tad higher, but still closes just fine. So you can get 2, 4, 6 plus 1 in the quad is 7 batteries inside this quad, along with your controller. I like the controller holder because you can keep your sticks on. It has the cutouts for it, so you don't have to worry about taking your sticks off and losing them. I always like a case where I can set my controller in vertical like that. And then all your charger stuff, and of course your battery holes, and then a place for spare props right here. So that is the case. And then up at the top, up here, you can keep a tablet. Here's the strap. I've got 2 cases of my Freewell filters, my favorite filters, Freewell. And with every one you get a couple stickers if you like. You get a little small drone pit stop sticker. And then you get a large, no, that's not a sticker, this is a VIP card. And then on the back it's got some scans and probably some offers. Yeah, 25% off on this one. So you can use your coupon to buy another case for one of your other quads. They make them for different quads. So I'm gonna put this back the way I had it just so you can see. Let's put this battery back where it was. Let's take this one out. And again, I just took the insert and I cut it in half, and then I put it back in there. And that way my batteries all sit high enough to where I can just grab them and pull them out easily. So there you have it. That is the case by Drone Pit Stop. Real quick, short and sweet video here. They have the nice logo on top with the raised pattern on it, the raised lettering and logo. It looks like it would be a real soft case, but it's not. The zippers seal up real good to where that's where they make the claim that it's waterproof. I haven't thrown it in in the water yet, but I have been out in the rain and no water gets in whatsoever. That zipper seals up really nice. So there you have it. Durable case. So for a soft case, it's pretty durable. Lightweight, not heavy at all. And like I said, you can simply put the shoulder straps on. Carry a couple on one shoulder, another one on the other shoulder, hold it by the handle. I can easily go trekking through the woods to get to where I want to fly and take 3 quads with me and be comfortable. So my favorite case, Drone Pit Stop. They finally made one for the Zino 2. It took a while. I don't know why. Maybe with this whole Corona thing, that puts kind of it definitely puts a damper on things for companies out of China. It seems, with a lot of stuff that we're trying to get, but they finally made one and I'm very happy, so I just wanted to share it with you. This is my absolute favorite case, Drone Pit Stop. I'll put a link down below. Like I said, I found it on Amazon. I'll also put a link to their website, and it's a new item, so they might not have it fully onto their website yet. They usually put them on Amazon first, and then you'll find them on their website later. But I'll put a link to their website as well. Go check them out and see what other cases they have and accessories. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up on your way out. If you're new to my channel, hit subscribe and hit that bell for future content as always. And have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.